JGB. I'm here back with another video, and this is part 1 of adventure playthroughs. In this series, we're going to be playing through all the adventures in order, including the newest ones, 17, 18, and 19. Alright, let's go. Do 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 do. Alright. I need a Liza voice. Hang on. She looks very wise, so I'll give her a wise voice. I'm so glad you're here. The phantoms have broken through our defenses and are polluting the forest. I need someone to help save the forest while I investigate where the phantoms are coming from. Head to Bunny Burrow and speak with the bunnies. They will tell you more. Good luck. Talk to the bunnies. Is this like a goal kind of thing? I mean, sure, why not? Buster, you are looking sweet, my man. The phantoms have polluted the water. That is ever apparent. I don't think water should be purple. And now our plants won't grow. Buster, stating obvious since 2018. I heard the phantoms have a fortress hidden deep within the wild. Cool. Binky. What kind of name is that? Just kidding. My friends left me to look after the burrow. They will return once the plants are all fixed. Where are they, though? Where are they, is my question. Pumpkin. I found this cork, but I can't reach the phantom pipe over there. Can you help me? Of course, Pumpkin. I don't know why you all have kid voices, but... Thanks! Can you help plug the rest of the forest? I saw some phantoms up ahead, so be careful. No probs, Pumpkin. Why is only the chomper plants intact? I mean, all these plants are, like, totally not living it. Oh well. Alright. 1 cork down, 2 more to go. Alright, so we are already about 2 minutes in, and I can see this is ever so exciting. Ow! I was past the freaking chomper plant. What the heck? Alright. I don't know why I didn't go to this one. This is obviously the second one that needs to be plugged. Oh well. Where might the other cork be? I'm trying to whistle, but it's not working. I can't whistle. I can do a whole lot of stuff, but I can't whistle. I'm fairly sure it wouldn't be back in Bunny Burrows, would it? Maybe. Nope. Not back here. I have a little map in the corner of the screen, so I can see where I've been. Nowhere. It's nowhere. Wouldn't it be ironic if it was, like, right here? Like, lol, you spawned here. Now you need to go back, because you died. Not really, though. Alright. Wait, what? Secret passageways. Where it is? Ooh, treasure. Treasure found. This was not the goal. 50 gems. Cool. Now we're off. Alright, over here, over here, over here. Ooh. I don't know why I'm being so silent. Ooh, cork. Nice. I wasted a good 2 minutes just searching all around when I could have just gone there. Because Because that's the way I am. Digging this soundtrack. Ooh, level up. That was cool. Kind of like Pokemon, but whatever. Ooh, Cookie. Cookie, you are looking fancy, I'm just gonna say. You did it! Now we can use the well water to water our plants. I wonder if she is the one that lived in that burrow, because didn't they say something about the dead plants? I don't know. Also, why is there this random chomper plant? I forget, who's the plant alpha? Cosmo, maybe? Why is he just placing these chomper plants around? He should do it strategically. Strategies. This music is louder than I am right now. Alright, cool. There's a well here. And now we can use it to water the flowers first, because flowers are more important than food. Am I right? Alright. Do they say anything different? I'm just like this sometimes. I need to search. Oh yeah, they do. Now if we could just get rid of that horrible phantom door. I'm pretty sure that wasn't Buster's voice. Oh well. Pumpkin. Now that the well water is clean, we can water our crops. No thank you, seriously? These bunnies. Honestly. And I'm the predator here. Oh, I can't speak to Binky. Oh. Ooh! I like this soundtrack. Can I sit here? Oh, yes, I can. I'm just gonna rest. Right here. Be back when I'm awake again. Alright, I'm awake. Let's go. George. Are you the one who bravely saved the crops? You're my hero. Don't know if I pick that compliment. I mean, why is there a piano? Also, I'm not even gonna ask why there's that goop right there. Ooh, fireplace, cool. Also, I have like several of these. They're not that small, and this is not that big. What the heck? Clover. I found this key a while back. I think it unlocks the phantom door to the far right of Bunny Grove. I am horrible with left and rights. I don't know if I can do this, Clover. Oh well, I'll try my best just for you. You're special. I was just thinking, here's my thought. Everyone says we are all unique, but wouldn't that make us the same? Because we're all unique? Like, I don't know. 4 keys and rescue the trapped bunnies. I'm not seeing any trapped bunnies. And what? Oh yeah, I remember my training. This is a thing. I don't know what that thing is, but it's a thing. There's this big open space that literally doesn't contribute to anything. I'm hiding in the tall grass, so phantoms can't see me. I'm hiding in the tall grass. That joke. Dang! No, don't hurt me. I've gone on this for not dying once. Please, please. Oh, no. Run. Yeah, get trapped, boy. What was he guarding, though? Just trees? Oh, nope, treasure. Sweet. 150 gems. That's 15 times 10. Cool. Ooh, a key. Key. Is there anything? Nope. No, thank you. Yeah. Get trapped in that plant that sucks you into the ground forever. Oh my god. Okay. Good thing these chomper plants were here. I take back what I said about Cosmo not being a strategist. Oh, there's another key. You can only pick up one item at a time? That's unfair. Every other game has inventory. Ow! No, I'm about to die. Please, no. I blame it on the lab. Nah. Do. Oh my god. No, please, no. Don't hurt me. I'm on your side. Please don't hurt me. Yes! Okay, now just keep following the path. Oh, here's the portal. We can just leave right now. What? Final rescue the freaking gosh. Okay, we have Joe? Jack. I was not even close. Oh, great. Alright, I saw a key up here somewhere. Yep, got it. And then there was a key back there. Keep moving, dog. Nobody got time for sleep. Yeah. Okay, 2 more bunnies. That was a plant over here, but I just want to look at them. Alright, so we got Oliver, I'm guessing, and Doy. Okay, Oliver and Doy, I will save you. Oh, but first we gotta admire the duck. Look at it. I just want to throw breadcrumbs at it. Oh. Everyone pay a tribute to Mr. Duck down in the comments. I don't care what year it is. It can be 2020 for all I care. Alright, down here. Nope. Here's another checkpoint though, in the open chest. I never checked up here, but there's a key. Great. And then, where's the other one? Freaking gosh dang it. Alright, it's time for Doy to be saved. I'm free! I can finally go home! Daisy said. I was not even close. Good grief. I'm just the savior today, you know? Oh! Okay, I think I can do this. Just give me a second, because you don't want to watch my little wolf running around trying to do everything. Alright, we found Oliver. I'm free! Liza again, why didn't you help me, Liza? Great job. You defeated Phantom. Hey, all the bunnies. Yeah. Please accept this gift and return through the adventure portal. Oh, we get all these treasure chests? Good. Yes, please. Bunny statue, cool. Alright, that's gonna be... Wait, really, Bunny? Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and see you in the next video.